Cool. Hello. So in the process of creating the web app that I want to create, which is like edit online videos or edit videos on the web with just web technology built with web technology, I needed ways of actually recording the process and showing how it was built. And so this is the kind of the two apps that I kind of started off with. The first is just a normal camera recorder, and then I kind of show you how to do a screen recorder as well. This is actually pretty cool. This is just the media recorder, the Get User Media Recorder, which lets you kind of capture videos from any kind of source camera and audio streams, and then apply it to a kind of a video element to kind of play back. And then obviously there's the new Media Recorder API, which is pretty cool. It records a stream, puts it into an array of blobs, and then once you finish, you kind of create the blob, and then you can kind of download it. That's not really what I wanted to talk about today. I actually wanted to, there's a missing semicolon. What I actually wanted to talk about today was another part of the API, which allows this video to be recorded by itself, which is the screen recording API. This is available, I think it's going to be available in Firefox pretty soon. It's available behind a flag in Chrome at the moment as well. And so hopefully that'll be available. But this is basically allows you to get multiple streams. A stream of the screen. I can't say those words. It gets you a screen. I can't even say it now. A stream from the screen using the Get Media Display or Get Display Media API that returns a stream. And then obviously you want to get audio and video so that you can do the voiceover. And so you can kind of use the normal Get User Media with a video track. And then one of the things that you want to try and do, obviously, is you want to be able to talk over your display. So I'm using, again, the same code for the media stream recorder or the media recorder API here. But what I'm actually doing is I'm getting the different tracks. So I'm getting the video tracks from the desktop stream. I'm actually getting the voice, the webcam stream, and getting the audio tracks, making a new media stream object of them, applying it to the video, so I can kind of see it later on, and you'll see it when I switch back. And then getting the stream and then doing the same thing as normal. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. This is just my unedited thinking. The reason why it's unedited is because I have to do this in one flow, because I don't actually have the ability to edit videos online at the moment. I can just record the different sources, which is probably the most important thing to start off with. You need to get data into a video editor, and I kind of want to show how it's done. And so, yeah, this is kind of completely raw and unfiltered at the moment. So you're going to see me press the stop button in a second. And then in future episodes, when I kind of work out how to actually get the video recording to start and stop and be able to splice things together, these videos hopefully be a lot smoother and simpler and full of, or with less ers and ums and me making a lot of mistakes.